In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Photos videos. First, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. This app is essential for managing your photos and videos effectively. Once you launch it, you'll see a clean interface displaying all your media. It's important to ensure that you are using the latest version of the app for optimal functionality. If this is your first time using the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate more easily as you proceed with the backup process. Next, sign in to your Google account. You may see a prompt that asks for your email and password. This step is crucial because your Google account holds your photos and videos securely in the cloud. Once you log in, your media will be linked to your account, allowing for easy access and management. After signing in, you can rest assured that you are on your way to keeping your precious memories safe. Now tap your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will lead you to your account settings and preferences. It's a straightforward step but pivotal for accessing the backup settings. You will notice a menu where various options are available for managing your account. Ensuring you have access to these settings is important for customizing your backup experience later on. Once that is done, tap on Photo Settings, then navigate to Backup. This section will allow you to control how your videos and photos are backed up. You should see various options that relate to backup preferences. This step is vital as it determines whether your videos will be uploaded automatically or manually in the future. It gives you the flexibility to manage your storage and backup needs effectively. Now turn on Backup. This setting is essential as it activates the automatic backup feature. With this toggle switched on, your videos will begin uploading to Google Photos as soon as they are captured or added to your device. This is important because it ensures you don't have to worry about manually saving your videos. They will be safely stored in the cloud without extra effort on your part. Next, keep the Google Photos app open while your videos upload, especially for large videos. You will see a progress indicator that shows you how much of the video has been uploaded. On iPhone and iPad, avoid closing the app until the backup finishes. This step is crucial because closing the app could interrupt the upload process, leading to potential data loss. To back up a specific video manually, open the video in Google Photos. You can do this by tapping on the video thumbnail within the app. This allows you to focus on that particular video for backup. It's a straightforward approach, ensuring that even if you have many videos, you can select the ones that matter most. Now tap Backup or Backup Now if available. This action will initiate the backup for that specific video immediately. You will see a confirmation that the backup process has started. This is a quick and easy way to ensure that specific memories are backed up without waiting for automatic uploads. Moving on to Windows and Mac, open Google Photos in your web browser. You can do this by typing photos.google.com in your address bar. This will take you to your Google Photos library. Once there, you will enjoy a similar interface as the mobile app. This is a convenient method for those who prefer managing their media on a larger screen. Click Create and Add Photos, then select Import Photos. You will find this option prominently displayed on the screen. This step allows you to start the upload process for your videos directly from your computer. It's an easy way to manage larger video files, which are often easier to handle on a desktop. Next, select the videos you want to upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, letting you browse through your folders. You can click on the videos you wish to upload, easily selecting multiple files if needed. This flexibility is essential for users who have numerous videos to back up. Now click Open. This finalizes your selection and begins the upload process. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. This offers reassurance that your videos are being backed up successfully. To back up folders automatically, install Google Drive for desktop. This step is crucial for seamless integration between Google Drive and Google Photos. Once installed, you will have access to additional backup options that enhance your overall experience. Open Preferences in Google Drive. Here you will configure your backup settings. It's important to take a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly. This guarantees that your folders are backed up as intended without any hitches. Click Add Folder and select the folder containing your videos. This action allows you to specify exactly where your videos are stored on your computer. Selecting the right folder simplifies the process and ensures that all relevant videos are included in the backup. Enable Backup to Google Photos. This step links your selected folder with Google Photos for automatic uploads. This is a convenient feature that saves you time and energy in the long run. Finally, click Save. This confirms your settings, and you will see a notification indicating the changes have been saved. You can feel confident that your videos are now set up for automatic backup. As a helpful tip, you can check a video's backup status by opening it and viewing its info or details. Google Photos will indicate whether the video has been backed up successfully. This little check can provide peace of mind and ensure your videos are secure.